Spaghetti alla diavola is a dish where the chili pepper plays the lead role, bringing a spicy touch to the dish that recalls the name alla diavola. It's a simple and quick recipe, perfect for those who love bold and intense flavors. Here's how to make it. Ingredients: 320 grams of spaghetti, 2 cloves of garlic, 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 fresh red chili pepper, or dry chili to taste, 400 grams of peeled tomatoes or tomato puree, salt to taste, chopped parsley, optional, for garnish, grated pecorino or other spicy cheese, optional, to serve. Preparation: boil a large pot of salted water to cook the spaghetti. In the meantime, in a large skillet, sauté the peeled garlic cloves in the extra virgin olive oil until golden. Add the sliced chili pepper. If you prefer a milder flavor, remember to remove the seeds. After a few minutes, remove the garlic and add the peeled tomatoes or tomato puree. Cook over medium heat for about 10–15 minutes until the sauce thickens. Adjust with salt. Drop the spaghetti into the boiling water and cook according to package instructions until al dente. Drain the spaghetti and transfer it to the skillet with the spicy tomato sauce. Toss it in the skillet to mix well with the sauce. Serve the hot spaghetti alla diavola, garnishing with chopped parsley and, if you like, a sprinkling of grated pecorino or a spicy cheese of your choice. Curiosity: the term alla diavola in gastronomy refers to dishes characterized by a particularly spicy taste. This denomination can be found in different preparations, from meats to pasta sauces. In some bolder versions, the spaghetti alla diavola can be enriched with additions like tagliasca olives, capers, or anchovy fillets, which lend further intensity to the dish.